Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Welcome back to the Android Studio tutorial by PHN Technology Private Limited. In this video, we are going to learn about a new control in Android, that is switch. So, we have many examples where we have only two states, on, off. For example, if you are making a application where you want to accept the settings from the user. Okay. So, allow, deny. Okay, so, we have two states, and to use these two states there is no need of buttons. So, instead of buttons we can use a switch control. So, just like the electric switch has two states, on and off, similarly the switch control also has two states. So, let us get started and see, and I will check an example of this switch. So, I have added a project. Let us first go with the designing part. So, first we will delete this previously present text view and we will change this constraint layout to linear layout. We will set the orientation as vertical. I will add a text view here. Do you want to access permissions? Let us say now this is a simple edit text view, do you want to access permissions, and after this we want a switch. So, here we will let us change this orientation to horizontal, and after this text view I will add a switch. Now, there are different switch controls available. The simpler one is switch compact. Okay. So, instead of going for the native switch control, go for the Android X app compact widget switch compact. This is the simplest switch available. You can design a switch using this first option as well, but it will be bit complicated. Okay. Wrap content. You can also give text property to this switch as well. Means if you do not want to give it manually like this, you can mention the text property here. Let us say allow. Okay. So, it will show like this. Okay, so, let us remove this edit text view and we will write our message. You can directly write the message here. I will just put it in comments. You can use it both the ways. Okay. So, here do you want to allow permissions, and this is the switch. You can turn on or off. Let us give an ID to this switch, let us say SW, and let us give some margin top of let us say 50 space and margin left, yes, 30 space. So, now it is somewhere here. Okay. Designing part is completed, we have added a switch, but how to know whether the switch is on or off? So, it will be changed in runtime by the user, means either user will make it on or make it off. For that purpose, we will have to go to our Java file. So, in the Java file, first of all we will have to create the object of switch compact S. Then we will have to initialize this object S equals to find view by ID r dot id dot SW. Now, we have to get the state of this switch. So, for that purpose we have a function s dot set on checked change listener. Whenever you will change the state of the switch, this function will be called. Inside this, your same on click listener, for any event you have to use new space capital O, enter. So, here we have got a compound button view, as well as we have got a boolean variable is checked. So, this is checked variable is the current state of your switch. Let us print it and check its output. So, toast message switch state is, yes, and where is the state stored of the switch? In is checked variable plus is checked. Let us run this and check the output. Okay. Do you want to allow permissions? Switch state is true, means on, and if you turn it off, switch state is false. Okay. So, by default it gives true and false, true for on and false for off. If you want to check it manually, you can add a if condition here. Okay. If is checked is equal to true. It means what? Means if this is checked variable is true, the switch is on. So, we will print the toast message. While printing the toast message, go for the second suggestion. Switch is on. You can customize it in any other ways, permission is allowed, permission is not allowed or anything. Okay, switch is on, and else means if is checked is not true, you can add else if here. So, else if is checked is equal to false. As it is Boolean variable, it will have two values, true or false. Okay, so, if is checked is false, what we will say? Toast switch is off. Let us check the output. Switch is on, switch is off. So, you can customize it in this way according to your application. So, this is all about our control switch. See you again in the next video.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.